Hey guys, in this video we're going to be looking at progressions for the ring roll. Alright, so before you do the ring roll, you got to make sure that you've got the muscle up, because having that muscle up, that strict muscle up position in this false grip is really important before we work on this. We're going to start in top support. We jump up, and then from this top support position, we lower the shoulders down as we lift the hips, and then we're going to turn our hands so our hands face forward or our palms face forward, and we're going to pull the rings together. So shoulders down, hips up, turn. We're going to pull into this position here. From there, we start to initiate the roll, and we pull nice and close into our chest, and then roll through that false grip position, pressing back up to the top. It's really hard. So it's a pretty complex movement. One of the biggest mistakes I see is losing that connection with the chest. So you need to make sure that you're pulling that false grip and pulling the rings close to your chest the whole time you roll through. So this is the mistake that I see. People going here and then losing this position. You'll end up here. You need to keep it nice and close and then roll through, coming out of it with the ring still on your chest. And then that way you can transition through and you end up in this position, you can push back up into that top support.